Eileen!
How much are you in? Huh? How much are you now? Like a 5?
Dave, tell us. I'm telling you, if you want to win, you'll do it.
What is it? Okay, Janet.
I gained weight. Shit. Oh my goodness.
72? 25?
175. I gained 10 pounds already. From the last.
I posted in the man diary.
29.
It's wait! 229. Okay. 229 for Arvin. What was his weight 18 years ago,
215.
huh, Lina? 215?
215. I thought it was. No. Oh.
No, more. No. 35? 214? 16?